Welcome back for another adventure in the Blue Ridge Mountains. We're in eastern Tennessee again today. We had an early season snowstorm come through. It's about 25 degrees out here. I must be the only person fool enough to come out here because no one else is in the parking lot. We got it to ourselves today. I don't want to be in the water today because it's real cold, so I'm going to head back up to the trail, hike up into the woods, and find a cool spot to sit down and meditate. Thanks for being here. Here we go. Pretty cool. It looks like the further we go back into the woods, the more snow that they got. We're obviously going up in elevation, so that makes sense. This is pretty rare around here these days. It's November the 11th, and to have a really early season snowstorm like that, it's a pretty cool gift out here. There's something about being in the snow that makes you feel like a little kid. Oh, that is cold. That is cold. We made it back to the site of the massacre at Flint Creek. 145 Native Americans were murdered in this field on January the 10th, 1789. We came out here a few days ago. We did a reflective and honorable meditation session out here in this area. It looks very different today. It's covered in snow. I imagine that this is probably how it looked in the winter of 1789 when the massacre took place. We were out here the other day and we found a hidden waterfall tucked back in a little valley. It looks a lot different out here today, but here's our trail heading off into the woods. We're gonna go check this thing out and see what it looks like in the snow. Making some first tracks out here. I headed back into this little secret area where this hidden waterfall is. It's like a little winter wonderland back here. Kind of ridiculous. Jeez, man. Oh. Almost fell into the creek. Oh, yeah. Back to the waterfall. We made it back to the hidden waterfall again today. Thanks for joining me. This is like a little snow globe out here. I love it. Everything looks nice and clean. It's amazing how quiet it is out here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna head back towards the car. There's a spot along the creek over there that we're gonna sit down and do our meditation session at. Thanks for being here with me. This is where we're gonna do our meditation session for today. What a cool spot. Everything's covered in snow, a couple great waterfalls. I got a nice rock ledge over there underneath that face. That's where I'm gonna sit down and do the meditation for today. We're gonna do a 6-minute meditation. If you don't wanna join me for that, hopefully you can enjoy the sights and sounds of the creek out here in the woods. Thanks for being here. Thanks for joining me for another mindful adventure in the Blue Ridge Mountains. It was a cold one today, but it was worth it to be out here and enjoy the snow. Hopefully everyone enjoyed your meditation session as well. We got to see a couple cool waterfalls too. Everybody knows how YouTube works. Subscribe for weekly adventures. Smash the like button for me. I'd love to hear people's comments below. Get out there and explore. Enjoy the day.